Now it's time to take a look at what we really use WordPress for, which is the writing, the content. So I'm going to go over here to the navigation bar and click Posts. Clicking here is the same thing as clicking on All Posts. Okay, here we are. This is the Posts Overview screen. There's a lot to cover, so let's take a look around. First, note that our friend Screen Options is up here. This lets you do a few things. You can hide or show these various columns. These take effect immediately when you click them. It's not going to do us a whole lot of good with this few posts available, but you can change the number that are shown here. I suppose, we could change it to 1. Not super useful with so few, so we'll restore it to its default. But it's there. Don't forget, you can always look for this if you're trying to figure out how to do something. So, each of these posts is shown by its title. Clicking the title will take you to the main edit screen. In addition, each post has a quick edit, which if you click that, gives you just a few of the pieces that we will go over later pertaining to this post. For now, I'll cancel that. And it shows you just some basic information about each post. This column indicates the number of comments and pings and things that have come back on this post. I'll take a look at these menus across the top. The bulk actions is what happens to posts that you check. So we basically just have a couple of these. Being able to edit a bunch of posts at once. Take a look at that. So you can't edit the full content of each post, but you can make various changes to all of them at once using this bulk editor. Cancel that for now. You can also move posts to the trash. WordPress does not delete anything immediately when you do this. It's the same metaphor that you see in most desktop computer systems, where first a file will make it into the trash or the recycle bin, and then you must do the additional step of emptying it to get rid of it entirely. You can also do this with the trash link on any single post. So let's do that with this one. Click that and it goes away. Now WordPress presents the ability to undo this, which if you click, just like it says, restored that from the trash, so the post is back. I'm going to do it one more time. And instead of clicking undo, note that we now have this trash link here. Click that, and now it shows me everything that's in the trash. And here I have 2 actions that I can take, which is restore or delete permanently. Now delete permanently will finally get rid of this post. If I click restore, I can see that nothing is left in the trash and this link is gone. So now I can just return back to my view of all posts. These 2 pop-up menus are filters, so I can look and see just what exactly was posted only in September 2011 after I click filter. Just have one post that qualifies there. Reset this to show all dates. Likewise, categories works the same way. The other main feature to look at here is the search. So let's say I wanted to see where the word no appears in the content of my various posts. So just type no, search, and it appears in 2 of these. That's really interesting, I know. You must be on the edge of your seat. So we can reset this by removing that and searching again. And we're back to seeing everything. And finally, we have these 2 kinds of views. Currently we're in the list view. We also have the excerpt view, which shows you, just like you might expect, a little excerpt of each post. So that's a quick tour of your posts overview screen. You can see you can do all kinds of stuff with all of your content at once and individually.